Hi, good day to you. My name is Vincent. I'm from Excel Services. Today I would like to share with you our latest product called Appstv. Appstv is a console box built for TV entertainment. The hardware itself contains of Intel Atom 330 processor with NVIDIA Ion chipsets. It comes with a 16 gig internal storage and also a 1 gig memory RAM. The display output will be using HDMI, and the maximum resolution can go up to 1920 by 1080. There will be 4 USB ports where you can connect other USB devices such as USB external storage drive. I would recommend you to use wireless keyboard and mouse so that you can actually use it distant away from your TV. Okay, so much for the hardware. Let's take a look on how Appstv looks like. Okay, from the screen here, that will be the output screen on the TV when you plug in your Appstv. This is the desktop. Right, we have customized this Linux software to project a full screen applications on the TV. We'll be using larger fonts and buttons so that users can visuate clearly distant away from the TV. Alright, this is the top panel. When you move the mouse towards the top panel, you can see that it appears out, and when you move the mouse to the bottom, there will be another bottom panel with all the applications below. Okay, let's start with the top panel first. This is the shutdown button. This is where you shut down the Appstv. Alright, this is the desktop icons, which you can return to this screen by clicking these desktop icons. You have the date, the time, and the weather forecast. Over here on the right hand side, you can see that there is a language input where you can select which language that you want to type on. Okay, there is this network icons where you can choose to be wired or even search for your wireless signal over here. Okay, the volume control is over here as well, and this is the close window button. Okay, this button will be used to close all the applications you open. Right? Let's take a look at the bottom panel. When you move the mouse cursor, you can see that the icons pop up, and just click on any of the icons and it will run. Let's take a look on this news channel, the CNN. Once you click it, the apps will appear full screens, which is borderless. There is no toolbar on top. Alright, you can actually read on and choose whichever topics that you would like to read on. Alright, and when you decided to close the windows, you can over here just move the mouse to the top, and the top panel will appear, and you can just click this button and you close the applications that you open. Alright, this close button is meant for all the apps that you'll be launching. Okay, beside the news channels, we have other social network programs like the Facebook. You click it, it appears full screen again, and there's no other borders, and it appears very clear, and you can actually type in your username and ID and your passwords, and you can start to interact with your friends. Okay, and the same thing, you can just close it over here by clicking the close button. Alright, and you're back to the desktop again. Okay, we have Twitter here as well, and we have others social network programs like the Messenger. When you click it, you appear full screens. As you can see, the fonts are huge, and the visual is very clear, and you can just close it if you want to. Alright, we have the Skype here as well, the QQ messengers, and let's take a look at how we surf the net. You will be using the Firefox. Okay, you appear full screens, and you can type in the URL from here. If not, you can do a search, such as you're looking for a Gmail. You click it, and you can check your mail. Alright, and then you can just close it using the same button over here. Just click it and you close it. Alright, it's very simple. And let's take a look on some video streaming applications like the Cooleries. This is interesting applications where you can do 3D panning on your pictures. And you can see that from here, these are the pictures that is streaming on the net. Alright, you can actually look at whatever pictures that you want to see, and just click it and it appears to you. Alright, and then you can just click anywhere else and you can come back. You can zoom out and you can zoom in. Alright, okay. There are other video channels over here as well. Okay, you can see there are TV clips and even like movie trailers. Okay, just click on any of the videos, it will appear the trailers. Let's take a look on the Green Lantern. Okay, and you play the trailers. Okay, and then you just click any part of the screen and then the movie will just close. Alright, okay, you can even like go to your computer, and when you plug in your external drive, you shows the pictures that you have, and same thing, you can view it on screen. Okay, and then you can just pan out or you can pan in, and you show the picture that you have appears. Alright, okay, after that, if you're done, you can just close using the same button, the close applications. Okay, and we have YouTube here as well. Okay, you can watch your YouTube on a full screen, and you can search whichever video you want to see. Right, and you do a search over here. Okay, and then you can play the video. Something is like, you can control the volumes over here by moving your mouse cursor. Okay, you can close if you want to. Okay, alright, we have this XBMC is a media center. It's very powerful. You can actually stream Blu-rays, higher definitions videos over here. Alright, provided that you have the movie files. You click on the videos, you can search for your files. Let's try on one of the videos. Is Blu-ray files. Okay, you can see the videos is very clear. Okay, now after that you can stop it after the videos and then the movies. Then you can just shut down and then you go back to your front. Okay, this is a total new experience using this TV box. You can basically stream videos and at the same time social with your friends. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for viewing.